Hello. What's your name?
My name is Stefan.
Very good. Let's have a look at this one. So how are you? I'm
Hungry.
very good. I'm
Cold.
very good.
I'm
I'm
hot.
hot. I'm great. Well done. Sad. Very good. I'm okay. Well done. Okay, so the next one is how old are you? Okay? So how old are you? I'm very good. How old are you? 6 years old. How old are you? Very good. How old are you? Okay, louder, loud, okay? I'm 9 years. Very good. Okay, so let's have a look at some colors, okay? What color is this? It's red. What color is this? Again? Shout white. Very good. What color is this? Yellow. What color is this? Very good. What color is this? Very good. What color is this? It's black. What color is this? Very good. What color is this? Very good. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay, so we have different shapes. Okay, what shape is this? Very good. What shape is this? Rectangle. Good. Now, can you color the diamond blue? Well done. Can you color the heart green? Good girl. Can you color the square red? You can reach it here. Good. And can you color the diamond purple? Purple. Very good. Well done. Okay. The next one is about the body, okay? So what's this? It's the... Very good. What's this? Shoulder. Where is your shoulder? Where is this your shoulder? Is this your shoulder? Yes? Good. What's this? Good. Toes. Very good. What's this? Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Well done. Okay. So let's have a look at some food. Okay. What's this? It's a carrot. Good girl. What's this? Very good. What's this? Do you like bananas? You don't like bananas? What's this? Very good. Do you like hamburgers? What's this? Do you like pizza? Good girl. Alright, so let's have a look at nature. What's this? It's a flower. Good. What's this? It's a rainbow. Well done. What's this? It's the sun. Very good. Let's continue. So some phonics, okay? So the ball. What's this one? A for apple. Good. This one? Very good. Cat. For elephant. Good. And the next one? Monkey. What's the phonic? Very good. Well done. All right. So let's count the birds, okay? So 1, 16, 17, good. So how many birds? 20. Good. 10, 20, 30, 50. Well done. Okay, so let's have a look at the last one. The last one is just some numbers. What number is this? 16. What number is this?